So, Katie, today wasn't too bad. Lots of events going on, but we do have some rain coming in the forecast.
Yeah, we do. And I know Bree mentioned, especially yesterday, if you have some outdoor activities going on, get it out of the way today. Get outside today because, yeah, little chance of rain, but the better chance of rain is coming for the second half of our weekend. Doesn't mean it was dry across the board. Gallatin's a great example of this, where we saw this beautiful double rainbow that our friend Matt set in. Beautiful, beautiful. Love it. The pool looks great. I mean, it's just... this looks like July, right? We had a couple of showers across the area, nothing severe, and we aren't expecting anything severe overnight either, so that's really good. Just some of that good beneficial rain. Most of us are dry. We've got that isolated shower moving pretty close to Hopkinsville, a little bit of rain near Fayetteville, but for the most part, we'll be quiet tonight. That does, of course, change. I mean, look at how quickly that ramps up as we head into overnight tonight, and then by tomorrow, more of a scattered and then even borderline a widespread chance. Checking on First Horizon Park, where the Nashville Sounds played Charlotte tonight. Look at all of that. We worked really hard to figure out what was going on here. Boy Scouts are out there camping right now, so it'll be a soggy start to the morning for them, but it looks like a lot of fun as they're out there tonight. Temperatures falling into the upper 70s, 78 for Dixon and Columbia, upper 70s in McMinnville and Nashville, holding strong in the 80s in western Kentucky this evening. Overnight tonight, again, we stay mostly dry. It'll be really early tomorrow morning. That rain ramps up, and it ramps up fast. Likely as you're trying to head out the door and get to church, you might get poured on if you live especially on the western side of Nashville. We've got some heavy rain working its way through. Sticks with us pretty much all of tomorrow. It's more of an organized line, and then by the afternoon it becomes more scattered, almost borderline widespread. Temperatures staying cool. Temperatures just really not the story. Not yet as we just continue through the rest of our Sunday. But it's going to be a downpour, about 1 to 2 inches, even 2.5 possible for some of us. It's just going to be really soggy. Tonight, fairly mild, 73, just those isolated little pop-up showers. Turns more soggy again as we head into our Sunday. We're unseasonably cool both Monday and Tuesday. Typically, for the end of July, early August, we hit about 91. Today we hit 93, by the way, kind of hard to believe. By midweek, back in the mid-90s and the mid to upper 90s. By mid to late week, then you factor in that heat, the humidity, the sunshine, and it will feel pretty often like 105 degrees. I mean, we could see a heat advisory be put into effect later on. Before we get to any of that, we got to get through a couple more inches of rainfall as we go into the rest of this evening, overnight tonight, Sunday and Monday. Not expecting anything severe. Could be as we go into the afternoon, 1 or 2 of those strong to severe storms are possible, really similar to what we saw last weekend, but we will be cooler. Once we finally shake this pattern, we fall into really what you'd expect for the very end of July and the beginning of August, which, by the way, that's on Wednesday. It's coming up really quickly, and it's going to be hot. Again, temperatures back in the upper 90s.
Thank you, Katie.